So one of your crafts is leaf bashing or haphazome, where you collect natural materials. It could be grass, leaves, flowers, berries, fruit, even whatever theme you're working on, and then you use some a piece of cloth, natural material, cotton or muslin, linen. So old sheets are great, you can get those from charity shops. So every aspect of the activity you can weave in talking about the climate and sustainability. So I've just collected a nettle leaf, which works really well, and a dandelion, and a few flowers, and we're going to give it a go. Woodland medallions. So you can go and get yourselves a nice branch, collect some green wood that the local rangers might have cut in some woodland or parks. Obviously don't start chopping branches off trees anywhere that is not your garden. I've got willow here, which is perfect because it grows rampantly and is a really good working plant. So yeah, we're gonna do a simple activity of making a disc. So you might have introduced it using a story or some kind of research about a climate activist, and then theme the discs around that. So natural jewellery. So here I've got an example using one of the discs from earlier with some elder beads and some natural wooden painted beads, and there's another one with a poppy seed head, again with some elder beads. I'll show you how to make elder beads. And the elder flowers are coming out at the moment, so that's exciting, to make elderflower cordial. So what we do is we trim some of the, cut some of the new shoots, that kind of thickness, with secateurs. And then elder is amazing, the centre is soft, the pith in the centre is soft like sponge. So we can cut some beads like that. and this is a really lovely sensory activity. It's very therapeutic to then push the centre out, that pith, using a stick that you might find on the floor, or a tent peg, or just a small stick is great. It's like that. Push it out, which is very satisfying, and create your own beads. And the lovely thing about elder is, if it's freshly cut, you can also peel the bark off very easily just with your fingers and a nail like that. Look, and it's a lovely green colour, just peels off. So you might find some youngsters or some adults love to spend time doing that. And then of course you could, once they're peeled, it's then really good for painting. You could paint them. I never bother. I like them with the natural colour. And then you can just simply thread elder. So get a length of string or coloured wool. You could make a bracelet. Just do a little bracelet. Elastic would be good. And then again, to thread, use the stick. So this is using quite fine motor skills. Alder bees, and you can make these from the tiny cones from the black alder tree. Absolutely zillions of them around in spring. There's still some lying around on the floor now. If you can identify your alder trees, there's loads, they're all over. Seem to be loads, especially at the back of supermarket car parks, so I often get funny looks scrambling around collecting them. But they're free resource, beautiful little cone, and so obviously you could do some tree identification or scavenger hunty stuff using those. And then there's all the linking in with pollinators and bees, that goes without saying. And then you could make a whole fleet of them. There we go. Recycled cereal packet, plastic. Lots of these ideas, it's not rocket science, they're not my ideas. You can find them on websites like the Woodland Trust. They have a brilliant website with loads of resources. Or the Wildlife Trust, Wild Sheffield, the local branch of the Wildlife Trust, have loads of activities. You just go on their website and adapt them to suit. video is useful and you're inspired by some of the activities to use, anything is better than nothing, anything. So get out there or bring nature in there and have fun, and you'll enjoy it as well as the learners. Thanks for watching.